Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Children, today we are going to discuss our first chapter in class 4 mathematics, shapes around us. What is the name of our chapter, children? Shapes around us. There is a big question. How can we describe and classify shapes? Children, how can we describe and classify shapes? Yes, we describe and classify shapes based on the sides and vertical angles. We describe and classify shapes based on their sides and vertical angles. Overview. What is the meaning of overview? After completing this chapter, you are going to know about the types of polygons and parts of a circle, and you can be able to construct circles using a compass, and you can create models that shows symmetry. These are the 4 points you are going to know after completing this chapter. Shall we start, children? Yes, we will start with our perspectivity. Here is the perspectivity in your studio. Below image is made up of different kinds of closed shapes. Color the shapes that have only straight lines with blue. Color the shapes that have both straight and curved lines with green, and color those that have only colored lines with red. Children, you see many shapes around you. In your neighborhood, in your house, in the school, many shapes. In the below image, it is made up of different kinds of closed shapes. So you have to color the shapes that have only straight lines. You have to find out the closed shapes, and you have to color the closed shapes that are only with straight lines with blue color, and the shapes that have both straight and curved lines with green, and only curved lines with red. Now look at the pictures and tell me, children, which shape do you find with straight lines? Only with straight lines. It should be a closed figure. Yes. Color the shapes that have only straight lines with blue. Now tell me, children, which shapes do you find with only straight lines? Yes, this you should color with blue. And here is one more shape that have only straight lines. And this one also. So, these shapes you have to color with blue. Then you have to color the shapes that have both straight and curved lines with green. Yes. Find out the shape. This is the shape with both straight lines. This is the straight line. These are curved lines. So you have to color this with green color. And here also one more is there. It is also with straight lines and curved line in between. So you have to color this with green. Next, color those that have only curved lines. Find out the shapes, children, that have only curved lines, and you have to color it with red. That is, this is the shape with only curved lines, and here also there is an ant with only curved lines. You have to color it with red color, and here also one more is there. This shape also you have to color with red color. Is it clear, children? So you have to color the given shapes as directed. You will do this? Yes. Key question, children. How can we make the idea of a shape more precise? How can we make the idea of a shape more precise? What is the meaning of precise, children? Yes, exactness. What is the meaning of precise? Exactness. How can we tell the shape is exact? What is the meaning of precise? Exactness. How can we make the idea of a shape more exact? Yes. We can describe the shape precisely by using mathematical terms and measurements like angles, dimensions, etc. We can precisely describe the shape using mathematical terms. Mathematical terms and measurements like angles, dimensions, etc. Look at this, children. All the closed shapes that are made up of only straight lines are called polygons. Closed shapes that are made up of only straight lines. What is the meaning of straight line? It has two endpoints. A line that has two endpoints is called straight line. The closed shapes that are made up of only straight lines are called polygons. What is the meaning of polygon? Yes. The closed shapes that are made up of only straight lines are called polygons. And poly means many. Poly means many. Gon means sides. Poly means many. Gon means sides. A simple closed figure or a closed shape made up of many sides is called polygon. A polygon can have any number of sides. A closed shape has an inside and an outside. It should be made up of only straight lines. What is a straight line, children? Which has two endpoints. A line which has two endpoints is called a straight line. And a shape and a closed shape that is made up of only straight lines is called polygon. A polygon can have any number of sides. and a closed shape has an inside and an outside. It can be made of straight lines, curved lines, or a combination of the two. The following are not closed shapes. Look at the shapes given in this box, children. This shape is made up of only curved lines. This shape is made up of only straight lines. This is also the shape made up of only straight lines. This shape is made up of only curved lines. And here the final shape is also made up of straight lines. Did you observe the difference, children? These are made up of straight lines. These two are made up of curved lines. So, it may be the combination of straight lines and curved lines, or made up of all the closed shapes that are made up of only straight lines are called polygons, and these are made up of straight lines. These three figures are of two types. What are they? Closed figures open figures. How many types of figures are there, children? Two types. One is closed figure, another one is open figure. In this closed figure, we are having two types. Simple closed figure. Simple closed figure. And the second one is non-simple closed figure. Non-simple closed figure. What are closed figures or open figures? These are called closed figures. These are called open figures. Okay, children? In this closed figures, we are having two types. Simple closed figure, non-simple closed figure. A closed figure has an inside and an outside. It can be made of straight lines, curved lines, or straight line and curved line. It may be a combination of two. The following are not closed shapes. By looking this, you can find out these are not closed shapes. But coming to this, children, is it a closed shape or open shape? It is closed, but I told you there are two types of closed shapes. Simple closed figure or shape, non-simple closed figure. This comes under non-simple closed figure because it intersects here. Okay, children, what is a simple closed figure? Example, triangle, rectangle, square. These are simple closed figures bounded by line segments and never intersect. But here intersection is there. These are the examples of simple closed figures, and this is the example of non-simple closed figure. So it is not closed shape when discussed in polygons. Okay, children? Say whether the following shapes are polygons or not. If they are polygons, count the number of sides and write inside the polygon. What is a polygon, children? Poly means many, gon means sides. A simple closed figure bounded by many sides, only with straight lines, is called a polygon. Now see children, see the first figure. Yes. How many straight lines are there? 3. Is this a polygon children? No, this is not a polygon because it is a closed figure. This is a closed figure. It is not a polygon because it is having straight lines and a curved line. A polygon should be with only straight lines. And it should be a simple closed figure. Next, is this a polygon children? Yes. It is bounded by how many line segments children? 5 line segments. Now, is this a polygon children? No. It's an open figure. Is this a polygon children? Yes, it is a simple closed figure bounded by how many line segments? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it clear children? Did you find the difference between polygons and closed figures and open figures? And simple closed figures and non-simple closed figures? Simple closed figures never intersect. Example, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Non-simple closed figures intersect with each other. Next, can a polygon have fewer than 3 sides? If so, draw one. If not, say why not. Can a polygon have fewer than 3 sides? Draw a polygon with 2 sides children. Take 2 line segments. Now tell me children, is this a polygon? No, we cannot construct a polygon. Fewer means less than. Fewer means less. Less than 3 sides. Can we draw a polygon children? No. Because it is not a closed figure. It is not a simple closed figure. So we cannot draw a polygon with less than 3 sides. We can construct a polygon using 3 or more sides. 3 or more sides. Is it clear children? Only with 3 or more sides. A simple closed figure bounded by 3 or more sides. We can draw a polygon using 3 or more sides. We cannot draw a polygon with less than 3 sides. It is not a polygon. So we cannot draw a polygon with fewer than 3 sides. What you have to write here? No. A polygon cannot have fewer than 3 sides because it takes at least 3 sides to form a closed figure. Discuss your answer with your partner and write the answer here, children. Is it clear? No, we cannot draw a polygon with less than 3 sides. See here, children. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. What is a triangle, children? Yes, a simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle, and it is a polygon with 3 sides. Polygon means a simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. Simply we can say a polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. A triangle has dash corners. How many corners are there, children? See, these are the corners. These are the corners of the triangle. How many corners are there? Count, children. 1, 2, 3. How many corners are there? 3 corners are there in a triangle. Count, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners are there. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is the meaning of quadrilateral? Quadri means 4. Lateral means sides. A simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. A simple closed figure bounded by 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. What is a polygon? A polygon is bounded by only straight line segments. A quadrilateral has how many corners, children? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the examples of quadrilaterals, and these all have how many corners? 4 corners. Rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram. These are the examples of quadrilaterals. Some quadrilaterals have special names. What is the name of this quadrilateral, children? These are all bounded by 4 line segments and these are having 4 sides. The name of this quadrilateral is, tell me, children, rectangle. This quadrilateral is called parallelogram. Parallelogram. It should be like this. This is called parallelogram. This is called isosceles. Isosceles trapezoid. What is this? What is the name of this quadrilateral, children? Rhombus. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Everyone knows this. What is this? Square. Okay, children? These are all called quadrilaterals because they are having 4 sides. These polygons are bounded with 4 sides, 4 line segments. So, different quadrilaterals have special names. This is rectangle, this is parallelogram, this is isosceles trapezoid, this one is rhombus, and this is square. This quadrilateral is called a. What is this quadrilateral name, children? Yes, you know this, rectangle. This quadrilateral is called a square. Look deep. Here two shapes are there, children. Can you find out? Yes. Square and a rectangle. Few questions are there. You have to answer them. What makes a rectangle different from other quadrilaterals? What makes a rectangle different from other quadrilaterals? Different quadrilaterals are there. From that quadrilaterals, what is the difference between that quadrilaterals and a rectangle? A rectangle has opposite sides equal. Opposite sides equal. In other quadrilaterals, they are not like that. Only in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In what ways is the square the same as the rectangle? In what way the square is same as the rectangle? Yes. They both are made up of four straight sides or straight lines. Next question. In what ways is it different? They are same because they are made up of four straight sides. They are different because a square has all its four sides equal. In square, all the four sides are equal. But coming to rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. But a rectangle has only opposite sides equal. Is a rectangle a special type of square? Or is a square a special type of rectangle? Is a rectangle a special type of square or a square is a special type of rectangle? A square is a special type of rectangle. A square is a special type of rectangle. A square is a special type of rectangle because it is a quadrilateral with all four angles right angles. With all 4 angles, right angles. Is it clear, children? Write all the questions neatly. A square is a rectangle with all sides equal in length. When a polygon has all its sides equal in length, then it is called a regular polygon. There are 2 types of polygon. One is regular polygon and irregular polygon. What is the meaning of regular polygon? A polygon that has all its sides equal in length is called regular polygon. A polygon that has all its sides are not all equal. Its sides are not equal is called irregular polygon. Which of these polygons are regular? You have to find out which is regular and which is irregular. The length should be equal, then only it is a regular polygon. The length of all sides should be equal, then only it is a regular polygon. If the length is not equal of all the sides, it is irregular polygon. See children, now tell me, this polygon is regular or irregular? Regular, because all the sides are with equal length. Now look at this figure, children. Tell me whether this is regular or irregular polygon. Yes, it is an irregular polygon because the sides are not with equal length. Now tell me, is this a regular or irregular polygon? Irregular polygon. This one? Yes, it is a regular polygon with all sides with equal length. Is this a regular or irregular polygon? Yes, this is also a regular polygon with 3 sides equal length. Is it clear, children? A square is a regular polygon or irregular polygon? Yes, it is a regular polygon because all the sides in a square are equal in length. Is a rectangle a regular or irregular polygon, children? It is an irregular polygon because all the sides are not with equal length. Is it clear, children? What is a regular polygon and irregular polygon? Regular polygon means all the sides should be equal in length. Irregular polygon means sides should not be with equal length. Now there is an activity for you, children. You have to draw an irregular polygon with 5 sides. Irregular polygon means with different lengths we have to draw. It should be irregular. Is it clear, children? So it should be only with the line segments and with a different lengths. In this way you have to draw one more polygon. Up to this, complete all the questions neatly in your book, children. We'll continue our next topic in our next session.